Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Miss Brianne, and welcome back to our Artful Calligraphy series, the series where I teach you the art style of beautiful lettering. In our previous video, we are still working on the second half of our capital letters in our series. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new one. And the next letter we are going to learn today is the capital letter K. As you can see over here, the capital K. Now this one is kind of very simple and kind of interesting at the same time. And it goes a little something like this. We're going to start just underneath the top line. And we're going to use light pressure curving downward. And then light pressure going back up and curving upward till you get to the top line. Then, from the top line, we're going to use heavy pressure going down all the way to the baseline. We're going to curve and then curve with light pressure and make a dot. That's the first part. Next, we're going to start just underneath the top line. We're going to curve, use heavy pressure going down, and curve again to the waistline. And then make sort of a compound curve. Let's do that again. Start just underneath the top line. We're going to curve downward with light pressure going all the way up to the top line again, curving downward, then curving upward. Then from the top line, heavy pressure going down, curve, light pressure going up in a curl, and ends in a dot. From the top line, I'm going to curve to the left with heavy pressure going down, curve to the left again to the waistline, then make half a compound curve. Alright, let's do that again. Start just underneath the top line, light pressure going up and curve, heavy pressure going down and curve, light pressure going down and curve, then light pressure going back up to the top line. From the top line, heavy pressure going down, curve, light pressure curling and ending in a dot. From the top line, curve, and then heavy pressure going down, then curve again when you get to the waistline. From the waistline, we're going to make half of a compound curve. One more time. Start just underneath the top line, light pressure going up, curve, light pressure going down and curve, light pressure going back up to the top line. From the top line, heavy pressure going down and curve, then light pressure making a curl and ending in a dot. Again at the top line, curve and use heavy pressure going down, curve again to the waistline, then make a half of a compound curve. Alright, good job boys and girls! Now in a minute or so I'm going to have you finish the rest of this practice sheet on your own, and as always I do this with you. But let's review a couple more times. So we're going to start at the top line, light pressure going up and curve, light pressure going down and curve, light pressure going back up to the top line. From the top line, heavy pressure going down and curve, then light pressure curling and ending in a dot. Start at the top line again, curve a little bit, heavy pressure going down, curve to the waistline, then from the waistline, half of a compound curve. One more time. Start just underneath the top line, light pressure going up and curve, light pressure going down and curve, light pressure going up to the top line. From the top line, heavy pressure going down and curve, then light pressure making a curl, ending in a dot. From the top line again, curve and use heavy pressure going down, then curve at the waistline. From the waistline, we're going to do half of a compound curve. Alright, so you're going to spend the next couple of minutes finishing the rest of this practice sheet on your own. Are we ready to begin? Alright, let's get started. All right, good job, boys and girls. You have learned how to draw the capital letter K. In our next video, I'm going to teach you how to draw the capital letter H. So, take good care of yourselves. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.